Imagine stepping into a bright, lit-up space to live in style and luxury. This dream comes true at The One Los Angeles every day. Take your pick from enchanting studios and spacious 2-bedroom apartments, complete with heating and AC to keep you cozy in any weather, a balcony for your main character moment, and a lavish kitchen with a stove, oven, and refrigerator for fresh groceries all week. Unwind with a relaxing bath or a soothing shower after a long day at uni. When the weekend rolls around, fire up the grill station and enjoy yummy roasts. Tackle heaps of clothes with on-site laundry or chill with friends in the lounge. Feel free to bring your wheels along, parking is available. With speedy Wi-Fi also available, you're always connected. No need for teary goodbyes to your fur babies. Just bring them along to this pet-friendly space. Travel to class quickly with California State University and Occidental College, just a short drive away. With bus stops nearby, travel without hassle. So, elevate student living and book your spot at The One Los Angeles now with amberstudent.com.